Welcome back to Do-It-Myself Garage. If you notice, the windows are up on the GTO. Yes, I do have windows. I drove it to work one night, so late night coming home, wanted the windows up so I could have some heat and be comfortable. It was about 115 miles round trip. Car ran great. We're just going to get it cleaned up. I got a huge car show to go to on Sunday. Want to get the car all cleaned up. It's the first time I've been there in 3 years. I had it there shortly after I bought the car. And then the next year, everything was shut down. And last year, the car was tore apart. So it hasn't been there in 3 years. So let's get this all cleaned up and ready to go. Do some inspection, see if I have anything I need to attend to before I go to the show. All right, so this is what the trunk looks like right now. I'm going to vacuum it out and get the rest of the stuff, rest of the dirt out of here. I do have one little hole I need to patch. I don't have the piece for that. And then I'm going to patch up some of the wires yet and get everything kind of straightened out. I just had them temporarily with some wire nuts on there. But I'm going to get that all cleaned up and we'll get some carpet in here. Alright, so a couple hours of fiddling around. I've got a carpet that I'm pretty happy with. It's not perfect, but it's better than what I had. I'll have to do some finishing up. I didn't finish cleaning up the wiring like I wanted to, but at least I got the carpet mostly in here. It's glued down on the bottom and kind of in the back there. So I'll finish up the wiring and then I'll glue the rest of this kind of so it stays in place. But now I have a nice spot to put all my gear for the car show, chairs and whatnot. So probably the next thing you'll see is probably the car show. Good morning. I'm at the 2022 Pantowners Car Show. Probably not going to do a full walk around this year, but I will show some highlights. It's about 8 o'clock. A bunch of cars are still rolling in. It technically starts at 7. Obviously there's my GTO right there. We've got 3 GTOs in a row here. We've got a GTO Judge, another GTO here. Oh, actually 4 in a row now. So yeah, got a real good showing of cars here. These are the cars for the local car club and would have been, most of these will have been on the car club calendar. I didn't show a lot from the car show this year. I hung out with some friends, just kind of chilled. Sometimes a successful weekend is a weekend of relaxing. And that's what I did this weekend. I did get that carpet in the trunk. It's not 100%, but it's good enough for now. I have to finish up some of the wiring in there, and then I can kind of tuck stuff where it needs to go. Anyway, thanks again for everybody for following along, liking, subscribing. Thanks for all the people that came out to the car show. I think I have some new subscriptions, some new friends from that. So thanks again. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.